Good morning, YouTube. It is day 3 in Maui and we woke up early. It's 8:46 right now. We are going on our first hiking adventure. What is the hike called, babe?
The bamboo forest.
So it's called the Bamboo Forest. It's supposed to be really beautiful and there's 3 waterfalls that you can go hike to, and they range from, of course, easy, medium, and hard. So we're really excited about that. We all look like a mess right now. We stayed up late last night. But before we start our adventure, we need to coffee. Ew. I just had yours. That was disgusting. Okay, mine. Yeah, sounds about right. Alrighty, we're on a mission. It's probably been like the grossest hike I've been on barefoot, but there looks like there was possibly a second waterfall really close ahead, so that's where we're gonna go. But if not, we're gonna go to another waterfall after this on a different trail. As you can see, this is what we have to cross. It's absolutely insane. This is what I live for, though. It was awesome. Honestly, I was the first one to be like, I do not care about my shoes and start walking barefoot. How disgusting is that? Just finished our hike. Damn, that was so fucking amazing. This hike isn't for everyone. I definitely feel like if you are afraid to get dirty, then this is not for you. But if you are like willing to go through it, get fucking dirty, and ride with it, because it is crazy. You're literally in the fucking forest, you're getting super muddy, there's bugs, there's mush mud, there's just everything that you probably wouldn't like. But if you're willing to stick it out, beautiful fucking waterfall, so much bamboo, and you hear the birds, and it's just so beautiful, and it's just honestly, I'm speechless. What did you think, babe?
Oh, that was an awesome experience.
Why?
Just in the jungle, no signs, get lost.
Yes. What would you say for someone who doesn't know how to prepare for this, or?
I think you probably already said it, but wear clothes that you're not afraid to get dirty. If you have water shoes, wear them. Watch the YouTube videos about it so you know what you're getting into, and don't be afraid to risk it. Not in a bad way, but I didn't want to cross the first stream, but when you get past it, it's so worth it. So.
He crossed it because of me.
With that being said, obviously, don't do anything to get yourself killed. But
right, babe?
What?
You crossed it because of me?
Yeah.
I'm the
to be honest,
crazy one in the relationship.
Yeah, I was thinking about my future. My body.
Anyways, super awesome. And yes, amazing. Worth it. Definitely dirty. And obviously you guys seen I was barefoot. No fucks given. Alright, bye.